Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Now we are going to see the differences between path and class path. What is path and class path? So both are environment variables in Java. So which helps us to find the location of files. Yes. So this path helps the operating system to find the location of executable files. So for example, to find the location of Java compiler and Java interpreter. Whereas this class path will be used by this class loader application to locate the class files. Note it down in case of IDEs like NetBeans and Eclipse. So what do you mean by IDE here? Integrated Development Environment. So which integrates what? Editor, compiler, interpreter together. So in case of IDEs, we no need to set these path and the class path environment variables to compile and run the Java programs. So when to set path, we install JDK in one location. For example, in case of Java, whereas Java programs are stored in another location. So here it is in and Java code. So here it is mandatory to set the path. So for example, I am executing test.java file which is stored in this Java code by using JavaC compiler. So now there is an error. JavaC is not recognized. So this error is OS can't identify the location of JavaC. So JavaC is nothing but an executable file, exe file. So now this operating system is not in a position to identify this JavaC compiler. Why? So the location differs. So now we are going to set the path. So the path can be set in two ways in command prompt. So that is only a temporary solution. So that means after closing the command prompt, so we can't retain the path value. So the second solution is a permanent solution, control panel. So now we are going to see the first one, how to set the path in command prompt. So initially I am compiling this test.java file with the help of JavaC compiler. Now it shows an error. So the reason is OS can't identify the location of JavaC file. So here I am going to set the path. So set space path equal to %path %semicolon then location of the JDK path. So this is the location in which JDK is installed. Okay. So here what do you mean by %path %? So it retains the value which is already stored in this path environment variable. So I am not going to override. I am going to extend. So I am going to attach another location in addition to the value which is already stored in this path variable. So next we are going to compile JavaC test.java. So no error here. So now OS can identify the location of JavaC compiler. So which is in this location Java bin. So this is the way of setting the path. So the second way is by using control panel. So for this, go to settings, control panel, system and security and select system. So in the system properties, select advanced system settings tab. So it shows a dialog box like this. So here select environment variable. So click here. So now this is the environment variable dialog box. So there are two variables here. Note it down. One is user variables and the second is system variables. And under the system variables, select this path and click this edit button. So under this edit, again click edit text. It shows a dialog box like this. Now this variable name is path here, so no need to change the variable name. Just give value for this variable, percentage path, percentage semicolon. So this is the location of JDK. So in which, so this is the path. So it depends upon the system. So you just give the location of JDK here and reopen the command prompt again and run the Java code. So you can set the path in two ways, in command prompt or by control panel. So if it is control panel, so which is a permanent solution. So if it is a command prompt, so you set it again and again. So when to set class path? So here I am storing Java program and class files in one particular location. So for example, in d:\Java code, so no need to set the class path. So see an example code. So in the previous tutorial itself, we discussed the package creation, how to import package. Okay. So here forest pack is the package name, so which consists of a single class, namely animal class. So inside this animal class, there are two public methods, namely food and sound. So now we are going to import this package inside this class. So how to import a package? So by using this keyword import package name dot class name. So as usual, within a class, we are going to define main method and we are creating object for this animal class, and through this object we are going to invoke the food and sound method of this animal class. Okay. So see this compilation. So if it is ordinary program, you can just give javac filename.java. So if it is a package, so there should be a difference. So what is that? So we should create a directory in the name of package. So we must create an directory for this forest pack. So how to do this? By using this -d. So here dot indicates what? Current working directory. So after this compilation, what will happen? A folder forest pack 1 will be created in this Java code folder. So that forest pack 1 consists of this animal class. Okay. Then you just compile this test.java file as usual with the help of javac compiler and interpret. So here there is no error even though we are not setting the class path. What is the reason? So here we are storing Java file and the class files together in one particular location, namely d:\Java code. So whereas see the second scenario. So here Java programs are stored in one location. So for example, d:\Java code. Whereas I am storing all the class files in some other location. For example, in e:\Java classes. Now what will happen? So see this code here. So instead of giving javac -d dot, so here I am giving a specific location. So whatever be the classes I am compiling, so the generated class files will be stored in another folder. So here this animal class.java is stored in Java code, whereas animal class.class, so which is the part of forest pack, is going to store in this folder e:\Java classes, right? So after that you can compile test.java and interpret. Now what will happen? Class not found exception. So now this animal class, which is a part of forest pack 1, can't be identified. So this class not found exception will be generated. Now this class loader can't identify the location of this animal class. So now what is the solution? Yes. Now we are going to set the path. You just compile as it is and after that set the class path similar to path. So set class path equal to percentage class path percentage. So here note it down, you just give the location of the class. So here this is the location e:\Java classes. So in this folder this animal class will be generated. So now, as usual, you compile the test.java file and interpret. So now we can get the output. So by using class path, we can store our Java programs and .class files in two different locations. So like path, class path can also be set through control panel. So who am I? I am a reflection package. I am the largest package in Java. I am a package, so no need to import me. So I will be imported automatically.